Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss and have a walkthrough on how to create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then a program will simply divide the two given numbers using Rust programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. We will just have a walkthrough on how the code works. It's quite long. So we have here the library file in Rust for input-output. This one is the declaration of integer 32-bit. fn main, it is the starting and ending point of every Rust program, similar in C. So main function, title of our program, divide two numbers in Rust. And then in this line of code, we are asking the user to give first value that will be stored in our var1. And then this line of code will ask the user to give second value that will be stored in var2. So here in this line of code we have your conversion, but normally when we ask the user to give a value by a number, it is still in string, so we have to convert in integer. So we are using this code. And then this line of code we are performing division, and then output here the quotient between A and B, divide, and end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and end of code. As I said earlier, don't worry because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our command prompt. Divide, enter. So our program is running right now. Divide two numbers in Rust, give first value, let's say 700, and then second value will be 2. So the quotient between 700 and 2 is 350, and a program. Another example, 1000, first value, second is 100. So the quotient between 1000 and 100 is 10. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on divide two numbers using Rust programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.